Hi, I'm Jesse Johnson with RE/MAX and welcome to 11388 Surrey Road in beautiful British Columbia. This community is pretty cool. Down the street, they do block parties. They know how to party. There's a beautiful walking club where you get to listen to the sounds of these songbirds. Oh, so beautiful. You can literally turn to your right, see the bridge, mountains. The view is fantastic. The house is on a 6,400 square foot lot. There's 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 downstairs. This is a basement suite. They could be either 1 or 2 bedrooms depending on your choice. Having a second bedroom allows you the feature of having a 1-bedroom basement suite or a 2-bedroom basement suite. Everyone loves a mortgage helper. Beautiful brick facade on the front, as well as my favorite, the sunroom, which has a beautiful view, best served with a cold glass of Chardonnay. Take off your shoes and come join me inside. I'd like to show you the second floor first, so up the stairs we go. Walking up the stairs, first thing you notice is the natural light. In the sunroom, you've got Grandma reading her favorite book with her second glass of Chardonnay. Oh, Grandma. Got the kids, I can hear them right now, playing with their toys in front of the bright bay window. And the fire pit, oh, the fire pit. The warmth, fantastic for those romantic occasions. Why don't we go inside of the kitchen? Follow me. Now in traditionally my favorite room of the house. Why? Because it's got all the food. Check out the brand new Maytag fridge. You've got a view. So while you're cooking or cleaning, you can check out the beautiful mountains and the bridge. While I have your attention as well, check out the cabinets. I know you'll love them. One word as to why. They are rustic. Holy crap! This is sweet. It's like an outdoor oasis. Imagine this on a Sunday afternoon. You're chilling with friends and family. You're hungry. Go to the garden. Get your own fresh vegetables. Head over to the beautiful barbecue zone. Fry them up. Cook up a storm. Grab a beer. Sit by the pond back there. It's got a nice fountain. It's got fish, actual fish in there. This place is almost as cool as my socks. Imagine this, you're chilling with friends, it's the end of the day, you need to relax a little bit. Why don't you go check out the very beautiful walking trails that are just down the street? They are absolutely amazing. Welcome to Invergarry Park, literally 30 seconds from the house. We have 92.5 acres in total of significant natural rainforest and creek habitat. The park is full of awesome mountain biking trails with lots of natural beauty for family and friends to enjoy. If you're feeling stressed at work, just come take a walk up these trails, unwind and relax, breathe in the fresh air and enjoy life. But wait, I've yet to show you the best part. Just a 1-minute drive away, you've got your gas stations, you've got your Indian food, you've got your Chinese food, there's a place to do your nails, you've got a pub, you've got your liquor, restaurants all over, but more importantly, the shawarma place. Lunchtime? Yum, 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 yum. Oh. The best thing about this is I don't own it. That means you can buy it. I recommend you treat yourself to 11388 Surrey Road. I'm Jesse Johnson with RE/MAX. Have a wonderful day.